Hello, kids. Ready to listen to the story? This story is about a monkey. A monkey. Can you see the monkey? He is Manny. Manny the monkey. Ready to listen? But before listening, you have to open your ears because it's story time. Ready? Let's count three with me. 1, 2, 3. Story time. Hi, I'm Manny. Manny the monkey. And I am 7 years old. I like numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I like my crayons. I like green crayons. I like orange crayons, blue crayons, yellow, pink, red, black and white crayons. Wow, how many colors. And I can draw pictures. Draw pictures with the crayons. What a beautiful picture, Manny. And I like apples. Delicious. Look, they are big and they are red. Wow, I like apples. And I like grapes. Yummy grapes. Can you see the purple grapes? Yummy. Do you like grapes? Mm. I don't like lemons. Oh, neither me. I don't like lemons. I don't like lemons. No, neither me. Ugh. But I like melons. Can you see how big they are, the melons? And I like bananas too. Yummy. Manny is a monkey, so he loves eating bananas. I can eat 10 bananas, says Manny. Look at all those fruits. Apples, bananas, grapes, and melons. What fruit do you like? Do you like apples, grapes, or do you prefer melon or bananas? Now you tell me, people, what fruit do you like, kids? Snip, snap, snout, this tale's told out. Bye bye.